How do you find the total revenue share by state using Tableau? In this example, I have a map showing the percentage of total that the revenue represents for each state. Let's add a new sheet and show you how to do this in Tableau. I've duplicated the sheet and I have a map with only marks on it. Let's first add revenue into the view. And put that on color. Now each of my states is colored by the total revenue. Let's just show the label so we can see what we are working with. In order to change this into percentage of total, so the share that each state represents, let's take a copy of revenue and move it onto the detail shelf. The detail shelf is a good place to put measures while you're still working with them. So if I click the drop down on that pill, I can create a quick table calculation. We're going to use percentage of total and move that from the detail shelf to the label. Now you can see that California represents 19% and New York 13% and so on. Hope that helps.